too. Zoom way in.
I already am.
Oh.
It's on your freaking nose, Hoss.
Oh shit.
Look
Alright,
at
zoom
those
out.
pretty blue eyes.
Get out of here. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out.
Okay.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're doing on my Evo 10 is installing something that is in this box that is freaking massive.
Ooh.
No. The reason I've been gone from YouTube for like a week or so is because I actually lost my vlog lens. I set it on the back of my trunk to take a photo with my 85mm lens, and I drove off and my lens disappeared, so I had to order a new one. But let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we are working with. You guys are gonna be hyped. I'm freaking hyped, so you guys better be hyped. Pop it all out. So what this is, it's a radio, as you can see. It's like a 12, I think it's a 12.1 or 12.2 inch Tesla style radio. It's big, and I'm freaking pumped. And then we have a rear view camera. So here we have a trim piece. This is like the main wiring harness. This is with a canvas box. This is USB, I won't be using that. I don't know what that is, so I probably won't use that. I don't know what that is. RCA's. So this is everything we are gonna be using. Oh, I don't need that either. I don't know what all that stuff is, honestly. So rear view camera, I'll probably hook up, I don't know when. This is the GPS antenna. I already have one of these installed in the car with that Android radio I have in there, so I'll just use that one. So I guess you don't need that either. All we need, this trim piece, a freaking massive radio. Come here real quick. This is what you're gonna do. This block end right here, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Should I take that one out?
Let's do it.
So this is the current radio we have in here. It's like an 8-inch Android. It's probably the same operating system. I think it's tiny, huh? So how to pull the stock radio out, or if you, any radio I have in your car, there's a trim piece over here that's just gonna pop back. There's a little screw under there. And then this guy just pops off. See? This we are actually not gonna be using. We're replacing this.
So you just throw it in the garbage?
Well, probably not. From there, the radio comes out. Radio comes out.
Are they all that loose?
So I think stock ones are bolted in a little bit. Unplug all the wiring. This is my GPS antenna. And then we have one for the hazard switch down here. Bam, just like that, the radio's out. Hazard switch we don't need. The only thing we need off this radio right here are these vents. Follow me. All right, so to get these vents out, you literally just tug on them. Just pop them out. See? Easy as that. Oh, by the way, guys.
Oh my gosh.
By the way, remember how we were talking about the presents that we got for this car?
Mm-hmm.
This is the first present.
Oh, okay.
This is the one that was in the back seat, guys. This goes bye-bye. If anyone wants to buy this radio that they actually don't make anymore, bang my line. Not my actual phone number, but like Instagram line. Should we put these vents in, or should we just run it without them?
I say no vents.
That looks sick.
Mm-hmm.
Looks so sick. Think this radio is gonna work?
Obviously, it's beautiful. They should make one for the Genesis. Like, replace all the knobs with the touchscreen.
Big facts. Big facts. Whoever made this radio, if you're watching this, please make one for the Genesis Coupe. I think we're ready. That was freaking easy.
Okay, come on. We gotta move inside. Come on, Hog.
I don't want to wire up my freaking backup camera. That sounds like a pain in the ass.
Honey, I'm sorry, but good things in life aren't easy.
We don't need all this wiring. This canvas system, I can unplug it.
Guys, we don't need the canvas system.
This right here we don't need. This is for the older radio. Much different than the new one, okay?
Why are you laughing?
Because you're a freaking goofball.
I was just telling them what you said.
Antenna, radio antenna, goes in the big hole right there. See? This is my GPS, okay, which is actually mounted right there. That's gonna screw on right there.
Mm-hmm. Does that GPS come in the car with the radio?
No, it can't. Yeah, it comes with the radio, but that's the same one for my other radio. It's the same exact thing. So on your stock harness, there's 3 wires. There's 3 plugins, right? You're only using 2. I think this biggest one right here, you're not using. I don't know what that's for. Probably for like a CD changer. So put that out of the way. These 2 are gonna plug in to there, and that should be literally all you need to plug in to get this radio to work. This right here, this wire is for your hazard switch, and it plugs in right here. There we go. Damn.
Holy crap.
Freaking dude. That's massive, dudes. Should we see if it works? I don't need your permission. Really? That's not even an Eva, it's a Lancer.
It's so cute.
That's still pretty sick though. I wonder if I could change that photo to like...
You one of yours?
No, a picture of your head. Maybe of my head.
What about Coda?
No, probably not Coda.
Ooh.
Sick. How do I go to a station?
Subwoofers, buy one, get one half price. Dash cameras, $49. All Marine audio products are on sale.
Damn, it works. That's what's up. Sweet. Okay, let's go through some stuff on. I don't want to take this off yet because
Take it off.
No, because I still have to take the radio back out.
Why do you have to take it back out?
To freaking put my reverse camera on.
Dude.
Or should I just not even put it in? Do you think it's cool to have it in?
No.
Should I not use it?
No.
I don't think I'll ever use a backup camera. It's like maybe I'll put it in my truck or something. I'm not gonna freaking put the backup camera in.
Yeah, who are we kidding?
Who are we kidding? This is obviously the radio, so yeah, we don't need that.
Wait.
How do I use this thing? Frick yeah. If you guys want to buy this, by the way, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. But before you buy it, let's run through it real quick and see if it's actually even that nice, because it might be kind of poopy. App list, I think, is what we're looking for. Do you like it though?
I love it.
It's freaking huge. You look really stressed.
Look it.
What's that? What'd you just do? Oh hell yeah.
Hey Rome, are you freaking out? No. Yes, you are. Can somebody just walk me through what we supposed to...
What is this, Fast 7? Oh. That's pretty sick. I could gladly freaking go on a road trip and watch a movie now. So I connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm trying to get on to my Google account so I can download a bunch of different apps. Like I want to put YouTube on here. It'd be so sick. I could watch this video on here. So as that is loading, I finally got my password right, by the way. As that's loading, I'm gonna fill in this little trim piece. So there's these two little tabs right here. One there, one there. They go into those holes, and then it's just gonna screw on where the stock one's screwed on. And it's not carbon fiber, it's just black. What do you think?
That is cool, but that's okay.
It's so crazy how these radios don't ever screw in.
I know, they just hang
They
there.
just sit there, yeah. That looks good. I don't mind the all black.
I like that all black.
Do ya?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Does it fit good?
Mm-hmm.
There. Even better now.
Funny, sing along to the pain they love it. Like a merry-go-round. Now I'm still trying to figure it out. I like space.
How does it sound?
Amazing, I love it.
So I got Bluetooth connected. That was easy. It's just like any other radio. General impressions are the touchscreen works freaking amazing. It sounds really, really good. The other radio I had in here always had this very, very faint buzzing sound that this one doesn't have. The only thing I can't freaking figure out though, and it's pissing me off, I'm gonna beat somebody up, is I can't even load the Play Store. So I want to download more apps.
Baby, we're gonna have to do that another day.
I need YouTube and Torque app. So we finally got the Play Store to open. You want to go find some sick apps?
Mm-hmm.
What? Okay. What do you think of that screen? Is it pretty responsive?
Yeah.
It's perfect. Hit that search button right there.
It's very nice.
It is. Man, my internet is fast. Almost as fast as your input. I love how I can zoom in now. It's so fun. So I just got done talking to the company we got this radio from, which is lancerstore.com, and we were able to set up a discount code for you guys, which is Devin Niemela. It's going to save you $20 on the radio, and it's also going to get you guys a free backup camera. I know I didn't use my backup camera on the car, but if you guys want a backup camera and that's your thing, you're going to get one for free. Alright guys, here is the overall consensus of this radio. Absolutely 100% hands down, I recommend this thing. The touchscreen works absolutely amazing. Like anything you ever do, it has not been laggy whatsoever. It has literally any app you can ever dream of putting on here. So far I have the YouTube app and Torque Lite and Maps.me. When you click on navigation up here, it takes you to, I believe it's Google Maps. Yeah, this is Google Maps right here. I'm pretty sure Google Maps requires internet. Actually, I don't even know because I'm not on internet right now and it shows exactly where I am. So maybe Google Maps does not require internet, but I know for a fact that this Maps.me does not require internet. All you have to do is download your current location, and I believe from there you're good to go. I can literally type in like Seattle right now. I live in Spokane. I can type in Seattle, as you can see, or I did earlier, and it'll give me directions right to Seattle. So that's pretty dope. Torque Lite is a super, super sick app. You can have any of your gauges on here. So currently I have 0 to 60 times, which obviously I'm not going to test right now because it's a brand new motor in the car. Boost pressure, which I have right there as well, but I figured it'd be kind of sick to put it up on there. Speed, I'll show you all the apps you can, or all the gauges you can put on here. So you click on dial, all these ones you're seeing right here, you can put onto the screen, which is freaking insane. Like, so much stuff you can do with this radio. I think some people may think the radio looks pretty big in the car. I'll try to give you, here, let me step out of the car real quick. Here's how it looks. It's pretty big, ain't gonna lie, it's pretty damn big, but I think it looks absolutely sick in this car. I do not regret getting this radio whatsoever. Everything's been amazing on it. The sound is good, the screen is absolutely amazing, GPS is working as it should. I don't know what else to like review on this thing. It looks sick, it fits very, very well. I'll kind of show you guys some of the edges. Yeah, as you can see, it fits pretty good. If you guys want to pick up this radio, I will have a link down in the description box below. Guys, seriously, if you have an Evo 10, go pick one up. This is a Rockford Fosgate system. It works completely fine with my factory sub in the back. I do not have the steering wheel controls, but I do know if you do have the steering wheel controls, it's very, very easy to program all that stuff. What car did I do that on recently? Oh, it was on my brother Cameron's 2016 WRX. We put an Android radio in there for him, and we had to program his steering wheel controls, and it was like 5 minutes to program every single control exact how you want it. If you have an Evo 10, I'd highly recommend picking one of these things up. If you have any comments or questions, drop a comment in the comment section below or shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll try my best to answer any questions you guys have if I know the answer. If not, just drop a comment down below, and I'm sure someone else in the comment section will have the answer to whatever questions you guys have. Freaking buy one of these radios. They're super sick. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.